welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Twinkle and I hope you subscribe to my channel below. So today's video is not about makeup, not about skincare. It's a real talk session where I'm gonna clear out the doubts, the questions that usually is there in the minds of the beginners. So I have tried to pick up the very most important questions and I have covered up to the maximum. So this is gonna be a really informative video, so watch it till the end, and if you have any more queries, be free to write it in the comment section below, so I'll make a part 2 on that. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. So starting out with the most important question, that is the investment. Now I know everyone hearing the word investment उनके mind में money आता है, but let me clarify, इन्वेस्टमेंट खाली मनी नहीं होता है. इन्वेस्टमेंट का फर्स्ट 2 पार्ट्स होते हैं, दैट इज इंटरनल इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड द सेकंड वन इज एक्सटर्नल इन्वेस्टमेंट. सो मनी इज बेसिकली अ स्मॉल माइन्यूट पार्ट ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट, बट इट इज़ नॉट द इंटायर की पूरा इन्वेस्टमेंट वर्ड डज नॉट मीन मनी. नाउ फर्स्टली लेट मी कवर अप द पार्ट इंटरनल इन्वेस्टमेंट. व्हाट इज इंटरनल इन्वेस्टमेंट? इंटरनल इन्वेस्टमेंट इज द इनर पार्ट दैट यू हैव टू एनालाइज. आपको अंदर से फर्स्ट एनालाइज करना पड़ेगा कि वो एक क्या पॉइंट है दैट इज मेकिंग यू मूव टूवर्ड्स द मेकअप, मूव टूवर्ड्स द स्किन केयर. नाउ देयर कैन बी न्यूमरस एंड थाउजेंड्स इन नंबर्स ऑफ रीजंस फॉर यू टू डू दैट, बट आई वांट यू टू फर्स्ट एनालाइज कि एक important reason क्या है. Now that can be passion, now that can be out of creativity, now that can be out of your insecurities, or you're just getting married, so you just want to take care of your skin. There can be numbers of reasons, so you just need to find out one good reason. अब इससे क्या होता है ना, this is really important because वो एक रीज़न वन यू एनालाइज इट, वो ही आपको पुश करेगा टूवर्ड्स कि नहीं ये आपको करना ही है, बिकॉज यू कैन ड्रॉप डाउन एनी डे, बिकॉज दिस इज़ अ वेरी पेशेंट थिंग, दिस इज़ अ वेरी स्लो प्रोसेस, सो you can get down anywhere. So in order to stick to this, you have to find out one good reason कि क्या है जो आपको push करता है towards this. Now second comes to the external investment. This is where money comes. Now external investment basically सबके mind में ये आता है कितना invest करें, कितना money spend करें, कहाँ spend करें. Now let me first clarify, आपको एक budget बनाना पड़ेगा कि आपको कितना money invest करना है, because I know सबका financial positions अलग होते हैं, सबके financial situations अलग होते हैं. So according to your financial condition, you have to first make a budget कि आपको इतना इसमें invest करना है, इतना आपको save करना है future के लिए. So once you do that, you see how easy the process is, how everything goes. Now second thing that comes into the minds of a lot of beginners is कि क्या brand का product लेना है in the starting. I suggest do not go for सारे products का एक brand. Never do that. एक प्रोडक्ट का डिफरेंट ब्रांड्स ट्राई करो, बट फर्स्ट उसके पहले आपको अपना स्किन टोन, आपका अपना स्किन टाइप जानना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है गाइज. अगर आप स्किन टाइप और स्किन टोन नहीं जानोगे देन इट्स गोना बी रियली मैसी. क्योंकि मेरे प्रोडक्ट्स में भी लॉरियल का फाउंडेशन मेरे पे बहुत सूट करता हो, बट ज़रूरी नहीं है वो आप पे भी सूट करे, बिकॉज आपका स्किन टोन अलग हो सकता है, आपका स्किन टाइप अलग हो सकता है. तो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू सी कि आपका स्किन टाइप और टोन क्या है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग डू अ लिटिल रिसर्च वर्क, ताकि यू विल गेट टू नो व्हाट इज़ द बेस्ट फॉर योर स्किन, बिकॉज एट द एंड आपको अपने स्किन पे ही लगाना है सबसे पहले. सो यू हैव टू फर्स्ट एनालाइज दोज थिंग कि आपके स्किन टाइप क्या है, व्हाट इज़ गोना सूट यू बेस्ट. नाउ मेरा रीज़न ये है कि आप डिफरेंट ब्रांड्स ट्राई करो. दिस इज़ बिकॉज इट्स गोना help you in the long run, because if you go for foundation and concealer and everything of one brand, suppose L'Oreal, if you go for all the brands, so you will only know about L'Oreal, तो आपको खाली L'Oreal के बारे में ही पता चलेगा, and then your skin becomes adaptable, it gets stuck to that product, it won't able to adapt to changes when you change in the long run anyway. So this is really important. So this is when you use different brands, you get to know their prices, get to know about their longevity, about their quantity, quality and everything. So this is going to help you in different brands, and moreover in a different in the long run, and also आपको different brands के बारे में भी पता चलेगा, which is really important. So दैट इज़ वाई आई सजेस्ट कि पहले अपना स्किन टोन टाइप जानो, थोड़ा रिसर्च वर्क करो एंड देन यू गो फॉर द प्रोडक्ट्स. बाय वन प्रोडक्ट बट द बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट. आई एम नॉट सेइंग यू कि आप एक फाउंडेशन का 10 ब्रांड्स का खरीदो. नो, आई एम आस्किंग यू टू जस्ट गो फॉर वन प्रोडक्ट बट हर ब्रांड्स का, ताकि यू नो वॉट इज़ बेनिफिशियल फॉर योर स्किन. आई विल सजेस्ट डोंट गो फॉर चीप ब्रांड्स, डोंट गो फॉर दो local brands, because at the end you have to apply it on your skin, and if your skin में अच्छा नहीं लगेगा then what will you you won't be able to catch up things very early. So my suggestion is go for the things that are best. Save but invest in the best. So this is gonna help you in the long run. Now फोर्थ एंड आई गेस द लिटरली बहुत लोगों के माइंड में आता है कि व्हाट आर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोडक्ट्स दैट यू गोना बाय, बिकॉज आई नो यू गाइज हैव बीन सीइंग अ लॉट ऑफ ब्लॉगर्स, लॉट ऑफ मेकअप वीडियोज जिसमें thousands of products यूज होते हैं. सो डोंट गो फॉर बाइंग ऑल ऑफ इट. You know what are the important things. So I'll tell you what are the most important products that you have to buy for the thing. So first most important product that you require is a good foundation. Now I will suggest you to go for a foundation that suits your skin tone. Don't go for a darker, don't go for a lighter skin tone, but go for the best skin tone का foundation that you can get. I know बहुत जन का skin tone ऐसा होता है, इनफैक्ट मेरा भी ऐसा ही है कि you do not get the correct skin tone. Go for mixing up, go for a mixing up wala foundation, so you will get a correct skin tone. But it is really important कि अपना correct skin tone वाला foundation use करो. Second most important thing that you're gonna buy is a concealer. Concealer मतलब you cannot just skip concealer, because that is where you're gonna cover up all your marks, all your uneven tones and etc. My suggestion, go for 1 or 2 shades lighter than what you're gonna what are you gonna buy for your foundation. Now if you're gonna buy foundation ka एक shade that is lighter, go for 1 or 2 shades lighter of the foundation, because that is going to highlight your under eye part and your uneven tone का जितना भी places है on your skin. This is gonna hide up, and also that is how it is done. So go for 2 shades lighter of your concealer का 2 shades lighter of the foundation. Third most important is kajal and eyeliner. I know if you are starting up with this, you definitely have a kajal and eyeliner, so I'm not going to talk much about that. So you can go for any brands. I'm just saying go for a good pigmentation wala kajal, because you in the long run you have to smudge it, you have to do a lot of things. So if you buy जो ज़्यादा pigmentation वाला नहीं हो, it can end up with not smudging and आपका eyeshadow look completely spoil हो सकता है. So go for a good pigmentation वाला look. Fourth, now this is I guess the most important thing, is a good eyeshadow palette. I will tell you, save a lot of money, go but invest in a good eyeshadow palette. Now मेरा reason for going and telling you to invest in a good eyeshadow palette is, look for there are there are a lot of shades, there are a lot of colors, there are a lot of, but I am telling you to buy a good eyeshadow palette, because आप एक ही eyeshadow palette से you can play thousands of colors. You just have to be a pro in that holding of brush and blending it. Otherwise you will be you can play with one single palette. You do not have to buy 10 different color palettes. So I am just telling you to buy a palette where you have subtle 2 vibrant colors, बेसिकली सारा कलर्स आपका एक आई शेडो. एंड ऐसा नहीं है कि आई शेडोज नहीं मिलता है वैसे कलर्स का. इफ़ आई फाइंड दोज कलर्स आई विल डेफिनेटली लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो. बट गो फॉर इट, गो फॉर अ गुड ब्रांड, गो फॉर अ गुड पिगमेंटेशन वन, बिकॉज अदरवाइज बहुत पाउडरी हो जाता है. यू कैन स्पॉइल अप इंटायर योर चीक पार्ट एंड देन रिमूविंग इट बिकम्स अ real mess. So go for a good one. Now otherwise if you want to buy, you can go for a alag se contour palette and a blush palette. But my main motive was to tell you to buy a eyeshadow palette जिसमें almost मैं भी खुद I even do contour with the eyeshadow palette. So you can do that. And blushes का भी there are in eyeshadow palette, so you can go with that. Fourth is what I'm going to say is an optional thing. So you can or you cannot, depending upon your budget, when you know how much you have spent or how much you want to save, go for a good highlighter, because I personally love highlighters. So I just love highlighter part. So you can or you can just skip that video. So skip that part, I'm so sorry. So you can just skip that part. So yeah, this is all what you have to buy. You don't have to buy thousands and thousands of things. This is all what you need to buy. Don't go, my suggestion, I'm still suggesting you guys, make a budget first, make a point where you have to invest, because investing in एक ही product का 1000 brands is of no sense. It's gonna just stay and spoil. I have at least, मतलब मेरा almost बहुत products waste जाता है ऐसे, because I have that craving and I have that, I don't know what obsession of buying makeup, and I just buy and just keep it aside without even using it. So don't do that, guys. As a beginner, you should not do that, because you have to save money for the long run. Now, save money, invest in the best. Do not invest in the local parts, because local products, go for drugstore products, that is fine, but do not go for the local products, because I would say that is going to affect your skin too much. So do not do that ever. And about the products, I've already told you what are the important products you have to go for. Oh sorry, I forgot about the loose powder. Now that is also really important for baking up your skin. So do not forget a loose powder, finishing powder. You can use any, you can just do that, because that is really important for baking up your skin. So yeah, that is it. I guess I've covered up maximum parts of the questions that has been in there in the beginners, in the minds of the beginners. So I guess I've covered up the most of the parts. If you have any more queries, if you have any more doubts that is there in you, please write it in the comment section below, so that I know what I have to cover up in the second part. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was really helpful for you guys. So if this video was really helpful, don't forget the drill, like, share and subscribe कर दो यार, free है, एक button and then subscribe हो जाता है, so that you know when my new video is going to come up, and every details you will get by the notification. Also turn on the bell icon. We'll meet next Saturday. Till then, ta-da!